Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Today, we're stepping back into the golden age of American automotive history. A time when bigger meant better, chrome was king, and comfort was everything. This is the 1964 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88, a full-sized cruiser from an era when Oldsmobile still meant performance, prestige, and innovation. Exterior. The Dynamic 88 was part of Oldsmobile's legendary 88 series, first introduced in 1949. By 1964, the 88 lineup had matured into a symbol of middle-class American success, sitting just below the more luxurious 98 and above the entry-level F85. In 1964, the Dynamic 88 received a facelift with cleaner lines, quad headlights, and more squared-off bodywork. It was also the final year before the complete redesign in '65. This car marked the end of an era, one that blended mid-century style with emerging modernity. From the outside, the 1964 Dynamic 88 looks like it's cruising even when it's parked. At over 213 inches long, it's a full-sized statement of '60s swagger. The wide chrome grille, stacked headlights, and bold side trim all scream Detroit steel. This particular model features Oldsmobile's signature rocket emblem, fender skirts, and tasteful chrome accents. The rear end is clean, almost minimalist, with horizontal taillights and just a touch of fins left over from the '50s influence. Interior. Inside, the Dynamic 88 offers a roomy, 6-passenger cabin, thanks to front and rear bench seats. The materials are classic '60s, vinyl, cloth, and real metal trim. The dashboard is a work of art, symmetrical, driver-focused, and loaded with chrome. The steering wheel is large and thin-rimmed, with the signature Oldsmobile horn ring. Instrumentation is clean and easy to read, and this model even features a factory-installed AM radio and optional air conditioning, quite a luxury at the time. Everything from the carpet to the headliner was built to last. And you'll notice, no digital screens, no plastics, just timeless craftsmanship. Performance. Under the hood, the 1964 Dynamic 88 came standard with a 394 cubic inch Skyrocket V8. It made 280 horsepower and over 400 pound-feet of torque, more than enough to move this big cruiser with authority. Mated to Oldsmobile's smooth-shifting Jetaway Hydra Motich 3-speed automatic transmission, the Dynamic 88 wasn't a race car, but it had solid straight-line performance. 0 to 60 in around 9 seconds, not bad for a car weighing over 4,200 pounds. Ride quality was exceptional for the time. With coil springs all around and a solid rear axle, it floated over rough roads like a true land yacht, quiet, composed, and confident. The 1964 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 represents a forgotten chapter of American automotive excellence. It wasn't the most luxurious, or the fastest, but it offered unmatched balance, style, comfort, power, and presence, all at an attainable price. Today, it's a rare sight on the road, often overshadowed by Chevys and Fords of the same era. But for collectors and enthusiasts in the know, the Dynamic 88 is a true gem, a cruiser that reminds us how far we've come, and what we might have left behind. If you enjoyed this dive into the 1964 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe for more classic car content, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite forgotten classic from the '60s?